Our next question is from GATE 2019 Chemical Reaction Engineering for 2 marks. The elementary liquid phase irreversible reaction is given as take place in a isothermal ideal CSTR. Pure A is fed to the reactor at a concentration of 2 mole per liter for the residence time that maximize the exit concentration of B. The percentage yield of B defined as net formation rate of B upon consumption rate of A is equal into 100 is. Let's start with the solution. Optimum space time for maximum B in CSTR is given as tau space time. Optimum space time is equal to 1 upon under root K1 K2. You can see here K1 K2. K1 is 0.4 minute inverse and K2 is 0.1 minute inverse. Then we will multiply these two. Then from this we get tau is equal to 5 minute. Right, so you can see here and one more thing, for CSTR for first order you can what is the performance equation of CSTR? Then generally it is given as tau is equal to Ca naught minus Ca upon Kca. After solving you will get Ca is equal to Ca naught upon 1 plus K1 tau. Ca is equal to Ca naught upon 1 plus K1 tau. Right, we will put all values, then we get Ca is equal to 0.666 mole per liter. Net consumption of reactant A will be Ca naught minus Ca. Since Ca is the exit concentration, Ca naught is the inlet, so it will be consumption, or you can say it is a consumption rate. If we consider on time basis, let's take 1 hour 1 minute time basis, then it will be Ca naught minus Ca, then it will be 1.334 mole per liter. Right, for component B, if we write for component B for a CSTR, we will get Cb is equal to Ca naught K1 tau upon 1 plus K1 tau into 1 plus K2 tau. You can see this type of expression in any book. When we drive the expression for maximizing of B, we will drive this Cb. So you can remember, or you can drive this formula also. So Cb is given as, in case of when A gives you B, B gives you C product, and when both are first order, right, then we get Cb is equal to Ca naught K1 tau upon 1 plus K1 tau into 1 plus K2 tau. From this we get Cb is equal to 0.888 mole per liter. Right, so net production of B will be Cb minus Cb minus Cb naught. Since Cb naught is initially is 0, so it will be 0.88 only. And we know that we just need to calculate this net production of B upon net production of A, that we will divide this into 100. From this we get 66.56%. This is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.